Ready to weave some digital magic? Let's create a timeless plaid pattern in Photoshop. First, create a new document. Go to File, New, and set the width and height to 500 pixels. Make sure the color mode is RGB and the background is white. Click Create. Now, choose your base color. Click the foreground color swatch and select a dark green. Then, grab the paint bucket tool and fill the entire canvas with the green. We're going to add a little texture. Go to Filter, then Nose, and select Add Nose. Set the amount to 5%. Choose Gaussian distribution, and make sure monochromatic is checked. Click OK. Time for our first stripe. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Motion Blur. Set the angle to 0 degrees and the distance to 20 pixels. Click OK. Let's save this stripe as a pattern. Go to Edit and select Define Pattern. Name it Green Horizontal Plaid, and click OK. Now, create a new layer above your green layer. Fill this new layer with white using the paint bucket tool. Change your foreground color to red. Repeat the nose and motion blur steps. Go to Filter, Nose, add nose with the same settings as before. Then, go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, but this time set the angle to 90 degrees and the distance to 20 pixels. Define this as a pattern. To go to Edit, Define Pattern, name it Red Vertical Plaid, and click OK. Finally, change the blend mode of this layer to multiply to blend the red stripes with the green underneath. For a final touch, let's add a subtle highlight. Create a new pattern. Fill adjustment layer. Select a very fine yellow stripe pattern. You might need to adjust the scale to make the stripes thin. And there you have it, a classic plaid pattern created entirely in Photoshop. Experiment with different colors and stripe widths to customize your own unique designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.